Good afternoon, students. Now let us see exercise 4.1. Now I request all of you to open your textbooks. In exercise 4.1, first main you see, complete the last column of the table. They have given serial number, equation and value. Say whether the equation is satisfied or not. We have to write yes or no. Now first one you see here, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here they are valuing, the value is given x is equal to 3. Now here x value is 3. So now in place of x you have to keep 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to how much? 6. But here 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 it is coming. So here the statement is not correct. So here you have to keep no. Now second one you see, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Same thing. But here x is equal to 0 they have given. So now in place of x you have to keep 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to how much? Actually 3. But here 0 plus 3 is equal to 0 they have given. So this also is not satisfied. So answer is here no. So third one you see, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 they have given. See here now in place of x you keep minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to how much? It is 0 only. Because minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled, automatically it is 0. Here it is yes. So, now I have told you first 3. Remaining blanks you can do it as a homework, students. Now let us see second main. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Now here they are given. Now we have to check whether the given value in the bracket to the equation will be correct or not. Now second main, exercise 4.1. Already first main I have told. Second main A. You see n plus 5 is equal to 19. N plus 5 is equal to 19. N is equal to 1 they have given. Now here n plus 5, what is this one? It is LHS. 19 is RHS. So now we have to take, instead of n we have to take 1. In n place you have to keep 1. Now suppose let us keep LHS you take. N means what? 1 plus 5. That is equal to 1 plus 5 how much? 6. But here in RHS how much it is given? 19. So RHS is 19. So LHS how much? 6 is not equal to 19. So the statement is not correct. So answer is no. Yes. Now B, second one you see. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Here they are giving n is equal to minus 2. Now here in place of n we have to keep minus 2. LHS how much? 7n plus 5. That is equal to 7 into n how much? Minus 2 plus 5. 7 2's how much, students? Minus 14 plus 5. Minus into plus becomes minus. So, minus 14 plus 5 how much? 9. Why here 9? Here it will come minus 9. Why? Because highest number is minus 14. So, minus symbol will be coming for 9. Because highest number which symbol will be there, that sign will be here. So, minus 14 plus 5 minus 9. Here you see RHS how much? 19. So, therefore, minus 9 is not equal to 19. LHS not equal to RHS. So, this also answer is no. I think third one also, other ones I think you can do it as a homework. You can try. Here they have given, I have told you 2 problems. Another 4 problems you can do it as a homework. Now let's see, go to third main. Third main, you see, solve the following equations by trial and error method. I have already told you hit and error method. Same thing only we have to use here. Third main. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. First one, 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Now trial and error method means what I have told you already. Here p is variable. So we can take p is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now LHS is equal to 5p plus 2. Yeah. Now put p is equal to 1. Now 5p plus 2, 5 into p how much? 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. How much is the RHS? RHS is 17. So LHS how much? 7 is not equal to 17. So now put p is equal to 2. 5 into 2 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 12 is not equal to 17. So now put p is equal to 3. 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 17 is equal to 17. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So p is equal to 3. So p is equal to 3 is the solution. I have already told you trial and error method. We have to see whether we have to keep p is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on we can take. Now we have to see LHS is equal to RHS. So now third main, second problem I think you can do it as a homework students. Now let's go to fourth main. Write equations for the following statements. First one you see I have already told you the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. Yeah, how can we write that equation? We have to write the equation. They have given the statements, we have to write equation. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. Sum means what I have told you already. Sum means addition. Difference means subtraction. Product means multiplication. Yeah, they have given here the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. So now fourth main, first one. Sum of numbers x and 4 is 9 means how we can write x plus 4 is equal to 9. See the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. So x plus 4 is equal to 9. Second one you see 2 subtracted from y is 8. How can we write that one? 2 subtracted from y is 8. So second one how can we write it is y minus 2 is equal to 8. Now third one you see 10 times a is 70 they are telling. This also I have told you when I was telling theory. 10 times a is 70 means how much? 10a is equal to 70. Now fourth one you see the number b divided by 5 gives 6. I think 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. You can do it as a homework students. If you didn't follow, you can clarify with me. Yeah. Then let's go to fifth main. Fifth main you see write the following equations in statement forms. Now in previous one what they have given statements and we have written the equations. Now here they have given statements, they have given equations, we have to write in the statement form. Now fifth main first one you see p plus 4 is equal to 15. P plus 4 is equal to 15. Now how can we write this one? You see first one how we read. The sum of P and 4 is 15. Yes. Second one you see. M minus 7 is equal to 3. This how can we write here? 7 subtracted by from M is 3. Here now when you are subtracting 7 from M you are getting 3. So this is the statement form, this is equations. Now see third one, 2M is equal to 7. I think you can do it as a homework. Now fourth one, fifth one, I think this two I have told you. Remaining one you can do it as a homework. By seeing previous ones you can do it as a homework. Now let's go to sixth main. Set up an equation in the following cases. Here they have given statements. Now we have to write an equation for this one. Sixth one you see. Ifran says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Ifran has 37 marbles. Now take M to be the number of Parmit's marbles. Here what they are telling, we have to set up an equation. They have given the statement here. We have to do it as a equation. In the form of equation we have to write. Now here Ifran says that he has 7 marbles. Ifran how many marbles he is having? 7 marbles. Then Parmit has, they are not telling how many Parmit has. So now here they are taking us to take M to be the number of Parmit's marble. So now let Parmit's marbles be what they told? M. Yeah. Now Ifran says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles of Parmit's. Now how many Ifran is having? 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmit's has. So 7 plus how many? 5M is equal to total how much? 37 marbles. So now here 5M plus 7 is equal to 37. So this is the equation form. So this is the first one, Imran's. Ifran says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. Ifran has 37 marbles. Now this is the equation for the first one. Now second one you see. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be Y years. Now they are telling here Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years elder than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Lakshmi's age, what they have given, they did not give Lakshmi's age, so they are telling us to take Y years. Now, second one, let Lakshmi's age be Y. Yeah. Now, father's age how much? Father's age how much? He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 4 times means 4 plus 3y we are taking. So now here 4 plus 3y is equal to how much? 49 years. Yeah. So 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. This is the solution. Here did you understand, students? Now what they are asking here, Lakshmi's age they have not mentioned. They have told us to take y. So now we have taken Lakshmi's age be y. Now Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times means how much? 3 into Lakshmi's age how much? Y. So we get 4 plus 3y. That is equal to 49. So 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. In this way we have to write in the equation form. In 6th main, I think 3rd one and 4th one, you can do it as a homework, students. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with me. So we have finished exercise 4.1. In the next class, we shall see exercise 4.2. Okay, thank you students.